Hello, everyone. Today is very important. It's recycling day.
Oh, rubbish day is rubbish. Oh, hello, Frog. Well, I have 5 bins when you can have 1.
Ah, here comes Mama Recycle to collect it all now. Mama Recycle! Watch out! Spinning screwdrivers! Poor Mama. Go, Tilly Tow Truck! Let's get you back on your wheels. Nuts and bolts. Mama's grabbing arm is bent. And she's all scratched too. Lots for us to do, Mechanicals. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time. Your grabbing arm is bent right here. But don't worry, I have a clever idea. With some heat, the metal will bend and repair this part of our special friend. And don't forget some fresh paint too, so you will look as good as new.
Oh, help me! The wretched rubbish has returned!
Nuts and bolts! Mr. Weasel's trapped by his own waste. I don't think Mr. Weasel knows how to recycle. Let's show him how. Go, Mechanicals! You see, Mr. Weasel? Recycling can be fun.
Well, you're not very good at it. You missed one. This is too much effort already. Oh, soup.
Thanks, Mama. See you soon. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're busy today. It's really important we keep Dylan's water levels topped up to keep his engine cool. Ready, Mechanicals? Go, H2O! That's not good, Mechanicals. There's no water coming from the pipes.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Soggy screwdrivers. Mr. Weasel's fountain is using all the water.
I thought frogs liked water.
We still need some clean water for Dylan's engine, or he'll overheat.
Not so fast, trash can. This is my water from my tap.
I know, Green. Water's for sharing, not wasting.
Oh, it's raining. My lovely hair might get wet.
Thanks, Blue. But we need to collect the precious rainwater. Quick, Mechanicals! Use whatever you can. Great job, everyone. We've got the rain to thank for filling Dylan's tank. Wow! What a lot of water Dylan's collected. We won't waste a drop of it. All jobs done. Before we use water, it's important to think how we use it wisely to wash, fill and drink.
Ah! My precious fountain!
Oh, Mr. Weasel, you'd best get a mop. And remember next time not to waste a drop. Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start? Achoo!
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans. Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes. Oh.
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. Ah, you're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
Ah, you're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look, it's Trevor the tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mechs, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. Strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, job, team. See you again soon, Trevor. Bye! Hello, everyone. We've been having a picnic and now it's home time. Remember, Mechs, don't leave anything behind. One, two, three, 4 mechanicals. Blue? Blue! Where are you? We've lost Blue! Green, come with me. We have to find him. Garage doors open again. It's time to find our little friend. Use your winch to lower me down! Nuts and bolts! No more tow rope! Oh, poor Blue. You've had some bumps. We can use your rocket to get us out of here. Nothing a little tweak can't fix. We'll be out of here in just 2 ticks. Righty-tighty. Let's get you back to the garage. Well done, everyone. We found Blue. And now let's fix him up like new. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time. Unlike mine, your legs are round to help you move along the ground. Let's get those arms fixed, left and right, by making sure the joints are tight. And last of all, a new respray. Now you can go back out and play. Oh, baby Blue, sleep well then. We're so happy you're home again. Goodbye, everyone. Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, baby truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Happy Halloween!